When baking a cake to serve at a particular event, it is essential to have the proper servings to serve your guests. Most individuals use a round pan for birthday cakes. Remember that the size of your birthday cakes will depend on the number of guests attending on your birthday. In most cases, an 8-inch cake will serve about 8 to 12 guests, while a 9-inch cake will make about 12 to 18 servings. At the same time, a 10-inch cake will have 16 to 24 servings, and a 12-inch cake will make 20 to 30 servings. Plus, a medium rectangle cake is usually 2 1/4 sheet layers of cake. Furthermore, a sheet cake is a cake you can purchase at grocery stores. Remember, a 1/4 sheet cake is about 1/4 of the size of an entire sheet cake with a dimension of 9 by 13 inches. Cake serving chart. The conventional size of a cake slice is about 2 inches by 4 inches by 1 inch. But not all cake slices are the same. It all depends on what kind of cake you are baking. So, if you have a 7-inch tall cake, you can cut it into thin slices about 1 inch wide and cut each piece in half horizontally, which means you can make 2 servings in each slice. Additionally, a 6-inch cake can create 4 generous servings or a sensible 8 servings. Also, 10-inch cakes can create 12 generous servings with about 2.5 inches across the back and serve 25 sensible portions, measuring about 1 1/4 inches across the back. Party cake serving chart. It is vital to have the correct size of your cake to serve all your guests hosting a party. Remember, the cake serving size can vary based on the shape and the cut. In that regard, here is a chart that will serve as a guideline based on cake slices about 1.5 by 2 inches. Remember that cakes about 3 to 6 inches high would yield the same number of pieces if you followed the same slicing pattern. Wedding cake serving chart. The serving size of a wedding cake is about 4 inches tall, 1 inch wide, and 2 inches in length. The serving slice of a wedding cake is smaller than the party cake serving. Moreover, party cake slices are 1.5 inches wide. However, the size difference is much smaller. Because of that, it is essential to be aware of all of that since it can affect the number of servings at wedding parties. Remember, tiered cake servings have more variety and flexibility regarding the number of servings. Also, the different size tiers vary in serving sizes. Also, choosing the right size of the cake will depend on the number of servings you have to cater. In most cases, some people desire a specific number of tiers and cake design that needs extra space between each tier for decorations. For example, when someone wants to add flowers, you have to have at least a 3-inch variance in the sizes of each tier that will create about a 1.5-inch ledge between tiers to create room to add and secure the flowers in the wedding cake. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.